To the class. This is our introductory video just to show you some of the finer features of the class website and to say hello. We'll start off with the easy part. Hello. Hopefully you didn't say it back, but if you did, thanks. So here's our class website. We're on the home page right now, and then you'll see over here on the left-hand side we've got links to web pages for each week. This, because this is the first iteration of the class, will certainly evolve. Not everything's completed, and so just bear with me. I will get things up to you before we cover them, and you know what? If I don't, I'll make it up to you. I promise. So next week will be week 2, right? And we'll take a look at that page in just a little bit. But here we are at the landing page. This is the video you're watching right here. No need to click on that. Here's our syllabus. You can click there. You'll see the syllabus that you've already seen before. Down here is a calendar of anything that's due, anything special coming up. There's nothing in the near future, but this will get populated if there are hard deadlines, final projects, tests, things of that matter. So I'll populate this. If you want to get in contact with me, if you want to schedule a meeting so we can work together on anything you're struggling with, use this. This will book up time on my calendar when we're both available. If you can't find a good time, just shoot me an email and I promise we'll work something out. You can just click the book over here. I don't think it matters which one you click. I would just do a 30 or 15 minute, depending on how long you think it'll take. It'll probably take longer than you imagine, so you can leave the 15-minute alone. Just click book, enter your information, and it'll take care of it. If you want to give me a call, don't call my office, but do email me. Email is the best way to get in touch with me. You can email me by clicking this button here. This is just my schedule. You don't care about this because unfortunately you're not here in person. So schedule time or email me. If you find there's something you like and want to see more of it, you can enter that here. If you find there's something you don't like and you'd like to see less of it, enter that here. I'll get this. This is anonymous, but this will let you shape how the class is run. This is your class. I'm just the guy organizing things. So please take advantage of the feedback here so I know what you like and what you don't, and I can tailor the class to you. Now, unfortunately, this is a class called Advanced Quantitative Analysis, and so really this is a process-oriented class. This is all about learning how to run statistics and interpret the outcomes. We do have a textbook to give you some of the background of it, and that's wonderful stuff. But you'll find as you go through the weeks, for example, that the learning objectives are all about doing things, right? How can we use some kind of a statistical test to get a confidence interval and make sense of that thing, right? And you'll find in these weeks, I've got walkthrough videos. How do you use SPSS to do this stuff? I've got some data sets. And then there are these brief checkpoint assignments. These are just there to make sure you're getting it. These should be fairly straightforward to walk through. You don't have to write out anything. You just simply have to generate a confidence interval and interpret it appropriately. If you find that you don't understand what the heck I'm asking or how to do a thing, please take advantage of the questions box. All you have to do is click here, type in whatever you want. I won't type anything. And then click submit, and it'll show up down here. Now, it won't immediately. You'll have to click the refresh button up here. But when you do that, it'll show up down here. I'll write a response over here. If I think it needs more than a written response, I'll record another video and give you an answer to that. So I don't know what you don't know unless you enter it in the questions box. And so each week has a questions box. Please use them. And there'll be different boxes for different weeks. Okay, so that's about it for the introduction. As we step through the class, we'll just be stepping from one week to another, and each week is going to have a video that comes along with it. If at any point you're confused, send me an email and I will do my best to clarify any confusion. I know it's kind of hard since this is not an in-person class. We can't actually see each other, but I don't want you to feel like you're going through this without someone there to support you. I'm in your corner. I'm just in your corner many miles away. So reach out to me. I will help you as best I can. Um, Emails are great, but if you have content specific questions, please go to that accompanying week and enter it in the questions box because I guarantee you, you are not the only person who's confused on that. And this way, everyone else gets to see your question and my answer. So you're doing the world a service, really. Once you're done patting yourself on the back, go ahead and get started on week two. I've uploaded the tutorial video, so you should be able to view that and let me know sooner rather than later what's unclear. Alrighty, I'll see you in the coming weeks.